Hi everyone, this is Khine. I'm from Myanmar and I'm now majoring in Communication Arts at Rangsit University International College. This is my introductory video, so let me introduce a little bit about myself and my English journey. So, I was a student at Yangon University majoring in English in Myanmar back then, but due to political complications and COVID-19 lockdown, I decided to continue my journey here at Rangsit, majoring in Com Arts this time. So, with my English journey, that was simple. I love English since I was very young, and I try to improve my English day by day because once in my life I had a stage where I felt very insecure and very frightened to speak with someone who has advanced English skills. That's why I pushed myself too hard, and now I can say that I'm confident with my English. And also during the COVID-19 lockdown, before I came here, I also had an experience in teaching intermediate students and help them with their English speaking or English like foreign skills in general. So I really happy with my English level right now, and I am always trying to push myself more for my English. And I also love this confidence regarding my English skills. That's why I really wanted to help other people get confidence with your English, with your speaking. So that is my main reason, and I'm really looking forward to helping others as a team leader. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching.